In this video, I'll show you how to set up the open source PhotoGIMP. First, install GIMP from the official website. Open Google, search for GIMP download, visit the official website and download the installer. Next, run the setup file and install the application as you normally would. Here, I'm choosing the option to install it for all users on this PC. For those who don't know what GIMP is, GNU Image Manipulation Program, or GIMP for short, is a photo editing program just like Photoshop, but it's completely free and open source. Once the installation is complete, open GIMP version 3.0 so it can extract the default configuration files into the AppData folder. As you can see, the default GIMP user interface looks a bit messy, but there's a way to fix this and make it look like Adobe Photoshop. To fix this UI, we'll use special configuration files from another open source project called PhotoGIMP. Visit the official project page on GitHub and go to the Releases section to download the latest version of PhotoGIMP. Download the zip file if you're using Windows. After downloading, extract the zip file. Now copy all the files from the 3.0 folder. Next, go to the C drive, then Users, then your username, and find the folder called AppData. If you don't see this folder, make sure to enable the Show Hidden Items option in Windows Explorer. Inside the AppData folder, open Roaming, then GIMP, and then the 3.0 folder. Now paste and replace all the files you copied earlier. Now let's open GIMP and see the magic. As you can see, we've successfully transformed GIMP into PhotoGIMP. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Until then, happy editing.